Okay, so we will be having the ABS representative for the paper presentation. So I will be inviting Mr. Albert Karele to talk to us about career and the maritime sector. Hit the hands together for him.
Okay, good morning everybody. My name is Albert Karele, and I'm here this morning to look at these beautiful faces, our future, and we are happy that you are keen into this program. The first speaker has said a lot, and the madam that just left here, the president, he only mentioned a lot of things. So it's your time. But you are the one who are running the battle too. So this morning I will be talking about the maritime industry as well as the classification society. They are intertwined, and we're going to quickly discuss a little bit about them so that you can get, to know what it is to be in the maritime industry. So I started by looking at an association, ABS. It's a body, and we have what we call the PLAC. It's already the board, PLAC Organization for Leadership and Development. So this board is an employee resource group that is sharing the same, or rather that is in line with the spirit of ABS. ABS, for short, is defined as American Bureau of Shipping. American Bureau of Shipping is into classification of vessels, and they do a lot of certification of vessels, and when you go deep into their jobs, you will have a lot to take home from them. So this board is an employee resource group, as I've said, and it unites all employees working in the company and wanting to contribute to the growth and development of black employees. So it's a body that is set up within the company, and it is allowing people to come together and contribute, positively to the growth and development of the industry as well as the employees. So the board also prepare and empower the employees to experience successful careers at ABS and affiliated companies. So this body comes together, select group of people. They are voluntary in nature. They let people and teach them how to do their jobs better, and at the same time enhance whatever they are doing. So this bond is a part of ABS. So the maritime industry is a complex industrial setup, and the capacity various players that are involved in all that happens in the maritime industry, ranging from transport, logistics, regulatory, as well as engineering and finance. Insurance activities are equally part of what is going on in the maritime industry. So the maritime industry plays a very crucial role, as we have been told by the president and even the first speaker. It is wide, and it has a lot of opportunities which are innumerable to mention. So among the roles that it plays in the sector, the economic sector, servicing as a permanent mode of transportation for goods and services globally, that is international in nature. It serves as the shipping outfit. The shipping outfit of it serves as facilitating the international trade by connecting global markets. It goes ahead to facilitate economic growth as well as ensuring a smooth transportation of goods and services, thereby enhancing global supply chain flow and services are distributed accordingly. So the maritime industry has a very, very wide coverage, and professionally we have a lot of companies that are offshoots of the maritime industry. Among them we have the Classification Society, of which I actually represent. And the Classification Society, what they do is they provide classification duty, they provide classification jobs, they provide statutory as well as certification that are centered on services such as regulation, and they actually act as recompense organizations on behalf of flag administrations. So these flag administrations are the ones that are implementing the rules on behalf of IMO. IMO is the umbrella body. IMO makes rules and regulations. The flag administrations, they cascade all the rules down to the grassroots. And we have the classification societies who now act on behalf of these administrations. And one of the administrations we can talk about, administrative bodies we can talk about is IMASA. IMASA is a flag body, and the class society, just like the one I represent, they work on behalf of an administration like IMASA. So we carry out the duties on behalf of IMASA. Whatever the IMASA wants to do on the vessel, they hire the services onto us. We will now carry it out. So these are the jobs of classification societies. Then we have the vision of the classification society, we have the mission. I can just only read about or tell you about the mission of the class society. Their own mission is to establish, to review, and to develop to a minimum technical requirements in relation to the design, the construction, and the maintenance of ships and survey of the ships as well. So the regulatory aspect of it is being handled by the class bodies. Then we have their key values, which ranges from leadership, have technical knowledge, quality, performance, as well as transparency. Transparency is talking about open communication of the concepts of class, so that its vital roles and its quality standards that they provide are known to all that they are providing their services to, so that nobody is put in the dark. Then this classification providing society, they have what we call the class circle. The class circle ranges from research. The research they do, all this research they do, the research to, for example, how a ship can work, and the roles that concern the construction of the ship. And when they come out with this research, the rules are further examined and designs are produced. When the designs are produced, they now are approved. After the approval, they go to construction of the plans. After the plans, then we have what we call the survey of what has been produced out of that design. The design is taken to the ship, the naval architects. They actually want to do the design, and these designs are approved. Once the designs are approved, the construction comes into play. The constructions are done in the factory, the factory that we call shipyards. The shipyards, we do the shipbuilding, which are the construction, and these ships are being constructed and are being monitored and are being surveyed at the same time. So during that period, everything is assured that they are in place. Then we have, after the construction, the ship is launched. Sorry. Jesus. Okay, so after the survey cycles, we have the services that they render. They render services to the government, they render services to the industry, as well as the offshore concerns. So, pursuing a career in the maritime sector, we know that since it's a vast growing field, we have a wide range of career opportunities, and we believe that the industry plays a very important role in our economy. So the seafaring roles that are prominent to grab in the maritime industry are: you can become a ship captain, you can become a deck officer, marine engineer, able service, able seaman, as well as stewards. The steward, they are the cooks and what have you in the industry. So seafarers work on various types of vessels, and these are the vessels that we just have a look at. Because of time, I will just show you the various types of vessels that we have. We have the ro-ro carriers. The ro-ro vessels are the ones that carry vehicles all the way from abroad and come to you. Then we have the bulk carriers that bring something like sugar that we have here, the wheat, and that they use in doing flour for your bread and for other confectionery. Then we have tankers. We have, I decided to show this. You're not seeing it there. I decided to show this vessel because we're in a mess environment, and so we have the vessels that work in the offshore industry. We have the offshore support vessels. They are numerous. Then we have the rigs. These rigs are numerous, and you need to know about them. So thank you so very much. I'm sorry I'm shortcut.
Thank you. A lot of applause for him. Mr. Apparently has got a whole lot. If we give him 2 hours, trust me, we'll continue listening. A lot of applause for him. So without